channel. Something a bit different today. I bought an e-bike. It's a little fold-up one, Fiido Dll. You can fold it up, throw it in the back of your boot and go out for a ride somewhere. I have took it out and I did record on my pocket too, but it didn't work. Two vibrations were just ruining the video, and then it fell off and I nearly broke it. So I've had to buy an Osmo Action DJI. Hopefully it's not too shaky. But I've set off from my house today, I haven't put it in the car, and I'm doing a 29.1 mile from where I live, Berry Beaches, to, I think it takes me to Chasewater and back. It's a lovely day for it, so. Somewhat different. I haven't been hiking for a while, but I'm going to mix up hiking and this. This is more for when I go to different towns and have a look around. Obviously hiking's in the fields and all that. But yeah, as I say, I hope this doesn't vibrate too much. It's supposed to be pretty good. We will see. Yeah, it's Saturday. It's about 8:15 in the morning. Bank holiday weekend, and it's supposed to be a cracker. Get yourselves out there. As I say, it's Saturday morning now. I'll post this later. So. And hopefully you can hear me because I haven't got the mic on. I'll try and I will stop somewhere later and I'll show you the bike. Good bike. I done 20.1 mile or something last time. This is 29.1. I had 2 bars left. It says you can get 40 mile, but I think I'm pushing it with this 30, but we'll see. Anyway, I'll catch you in a bit. Too late. Just been through Warsaw Arboretum. It was quite busy, park runs on, so. Mainly all canal up to here. I think it's all roads. I'm going down the right way. Bring you back in a bit, and if I go through Warsaw Arboretum on the way home, I'll press record. So I've arrived at Chasewater. Took about an hour and 20 minutes, something like that. Got to ride round here a bit and then I think head back. Slightly different route, but, and here's the bike. I promised I'll show you. It's only a little thing, folds up, fits in the boot. But it does the trick, I'm telling you. Well worth it. Starting off, heading home now. I definitely recommend this bike, Fiido Dll, 100%. I'm using the Commute app, by the way. It's brilliant. He's really good for biking.
At the roundabout, take the third exit. In 800 feet, Cressler Pool. Now exit onto street.
Choice but to use the road here. Oh, I know where I am, I think.
Follow this way for 0.42 miles. Follow this way for 0.41 miles. You have reached Cressler Pool. Could have took that top path up there, more scenic.
Is that okay?
Gee, thank you. Oh, this. Just saying how good the Commute app is, but it won't centre. just an update. I took the wrong turning as per usual, and it rerouted me, so I didn't go through Walsall Arboretum, but I think I've done a couple of extra miles. The battery's on 3, it keeps dropping to 2, so I'll probably be on 2 by the time I get home, so it will do 30 miles, but that's probably the maximum I'll take it.
Take the next left.
Which is enough, it's plenty. I've only ridden it from the house so far, I haven't thrown it in the boot. It does fit easily, I know that, but I haven't took it out in the car and gone somewhere yet. Should have put it into turbo mode.
Take the next right.
Yeah.
Now turn right.
I know where I am now anyway, so it's all good. Yeah, it'll make it back.
In 800 feet, mile down trail.
I'm going to push it down. I'm not riding down here on this little thing. 15 minutes from here, I think.
Now keep right. You have reached the yellow bridge over the canal. National Cycle Route 5 junction.
Nearly back. I have got 2 bars. By the time we get home, as I say, it's going to be on 2 bars, but I reckon it'll be closer to going to 1. But I'll put the exact amount of miles I've done with all my diversions in the description. I had on eco mode most of the way. Well, virtually all the way. I think I only put it onto sports a couple of times. So obviously if you use them modes you'll get less. So if you do 30 miles it'll be close. But you should do it. Especially if you use your eco mode then obviously. Thank you. Great little box. Can't wait to throw it in the car and go somewhere new. Thanks for that. Cheers for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.